Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you all my fire alarms. Let's go. That's one of my exit signs. Here's another exit sign I have. This one doesn't work, but it's still installed. You can see I'm pushing the button and it still won't turn on. And it is a little loose too. And that's my smoke alarm. And right in here we have these, Gentex and System Sensor. I like the System Sensor ones. And here are my Gentex ones. Some of them are hard to show because clothes. Look at those. Yep. Yep. Those are all my alarms. You like them? Some of them are really hard to see. But no biggie. It's fine. Behind all these clothes. Yep. It's just all that. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, my notifications went off. So bye.